Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up your new Amazon Echo Pop smart speaker, follow these step-by-step instructions to get it connected and ready to use with Alexa. Step 1. Unbox your Echo Pop and plug the power adapter into the device, then connect it to a wall outlet. Wait for the light ring to turn orange, indicating it's in setup mode. Step 2. Download the Amazon Alexa app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you don't already have it installed on your smartphone. Step 3. Open the Alexa app and sign in with your Amazon account credentials. Make sure your phone is connected to your Wi-Fi network. Step 4. Tap the device's icon at the bottom of the screen. Then tap the plus icon in the top right corner and select Add Device. Step 5. Select Amazon Echo from the list of device types, then choose Echo Pop from the available Echo devices. Step 6. The app will search for your Echo Pop. When it appears, follow the on-screen prompts to connect the device to your Wi-Fi network by selecting your network and entering the password. Step 7. Choose a location for your Echo Pop, such as living room or bedroom, to help Alexa understand where the device is placed in your home. Step 8. Complete the setup by testing your Echo Pop. Try saying, "Alexa, what's the weather?" to confirm it's working properly and responding to your voice commands. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.